What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is an Antutu benchmark comparison between the Google Pixel 4 XL against the Asus ROG Phone 2. So we have the Snapdragon 855 versus the Snapdragon 855 Plus, 6GB of RAM versus 8, as this is the Tencent model, and the rest of the specs you can see on these sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. The ROG Phone 2 finished first and it scored higher by over 64,000 points. Then 20 seconds later, the Pixel 4 XL finished. Now in the breakdown of the categories, the ROG Phone 2 scored higher on each of the categories, and that is mainly due to the Snapdragon 855 Plus CPU. So that wraps up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, Thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.